Welcome to the little Baguio of Negros Oriental.
I've been crying all day 'cause I had big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard.
Valencia is a municipality in the province of Negros Oriental, located 9 kilometers or 5.6 miles west and uphill of the provincial capital Dumaguete City. In the year 2007, Valencia was voted as the greenest and cleanest town of the Negros Oriental Province. Valencia is also the producer of electric power by using the natural geothermal power. The economy of the municipality is mainly based on agriculture. Valencia has a cooler climate than the average of the other Filipino municipalities because of its higher elevation. The region around the municipality is also the most important watershed area of the Negros Oriental, providing abundant drinking water not only to Valencia, but also to its neighboring municipalities.
I've been crying all day 'cause I had big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard. I just need to escape for a moment. Somewhere. I'll be hearing voices that guide me to my choices, but I never do what I want.
Please subscribe to Shiela Piet's channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.